right, let's give this Yardeni a 6 a run. See if I can get, oh boy, come on. There we go, bidding. Going to turn it to the side here a little bit. I think I got this locked down. I'll try to keep my fingers out of the view here so you could actually see what I'm doing. Alright, let's see here. Alright, good click. I overset that first pin, let it drop. There you go, good click on it. Good click. Second pin, good click on third pin. Alright, false set. Find our binder, right there, good click. False set. Find our next binder, right there. Just gotta get under them, good click, and open.